We are asked to determine the type of reaction and the total gas volume. We are given this reaction. When an organic compound reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, this is a combustion reaction. Specifically, this is a complete combustion reaction because all the carbon in the organic compound is converted to carbon dioxide only and not carbon monoxide or carbon in soot. Be careful. Complete combustion does not mean all of the propane and all of the oxygen react. One of them might be in excess. Complete combustion just indicates the form of the carbon-containing product. We are told the gases are in a vessel whose volume can change, such as a gas syringe. The gases are at the same temperature, and when they are in the vessel, they share a common pressure. At least we can assume this for simplicity. Now, whenever we have gases at the same temperature and pressure, we must think of Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of gases contain equal numbers of molecules if they are under the same temperature and pressure. And so, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the moles of gas present. That means the coefficients in the balanced equation can be used directly as volume ratios or as mole ratios. In other words, propane as to oxygen will react in a 1:5 mole ratio or a 1:5 volume ratio. To work out the total volume of gas at the end of the reaction, we first need to work out which reagent is limiting. We are given the volume of each reactant present initially. So if all of the 8 centimeters cubed of propane is used up in the reaction, we can determine the volume of oxygen that would be used up by making it X. Solving for X by cross-multiplying, we get 40 centimeters cubed of oxygen gas will be used up if all of the propane reacts. But we were told that there are 50 centimeters cubed of oxygen gas present, and so oxygen is in excess. And propane is limiting. Remember, it is the limiting reagent which influences the amounts of the products which can form. Now we can use the limiting reagent to work out the volumes of the products which form. From the stoichiometry, 1 mole of propane produces 3 moles of carbon dioxide and 4 moles of water. So by Avogadro's law, 8 centimeters cubed of propane will produce 3 times 8 centimeters cubed of carbon dioxide and 4 times 8 centimeters cubed of water. At the end of the reaction, there is 24 centimeters cubed of carbon dioxide and 32 centimeters cubed of water. Finally, the total volume of gas left at the end of the reaction is the sum of the volumes of each gas present, which is 0 for propane as it is all used up. 10 centimeters cubed of oxygen gas was left unreacted, and 24 and 32 centimeters cubed of the products form respectively. So the total volume of gases left at the end of the reaction is 66 centimeters cubed.